Hi, I'm Tim, licensed loan officer for Michigan. And somebody commented on my video the other day and they said, save up money and wait for the crash. Now that's a general thing that a lot of people think that there's going to be a crash and they should wait. And I want to let you know that a crash is highly unlikely because back in 2008, we had a lot of subprime mortgages and a lot of people got those adjustable mortgages with the subprime and weren't able to make their mortgage payment. And there was a lot of inventory of homes that just couldn't sell and one big bubble that crashed. Right now, we don't have any of those subprime mortgages. We just kind of have an inventory shortage and some inflation. So I tell you all this because if you like a home and you can afford the payment, you should probably buy it and not wait for a crash, which is highly unlikely. But to learn more, to go over the market and things like that, contact me. My information is below.